Uncle Mud here, looking at all the beautiful trees in Pennsylvania. I've got a friend in Pennsylvania. It's Rodney here.
Hello.
And Rodney does cool stuff. He goes and builds rocket heaters with me and mud houses, but this is his latest plaything. This enormous CNC router that you can throw these huge slabs of wood on, like this sycamore over here, brought down by a tornado, and turn them into these super flat, beautiful wide boards for $20,000 conference tables and
That's curly
maple kitchen tables for wealthy people and all sorts of other cool